Hey guys, good morning. So, I'm currently preparing for my 7:30 class because last night I fell asleep studying, so hindi ko naayos yung desk ko. So, yeah. Hey guys, it's Therese. Welcome back to my channel. So, good morning. It's currently 7:27, so 3 minutes na lang and I'll be joining my first class this morning.
Okay, so it is such a long topic. So I will start with the lecture right away. Okay. Nerve impulses that are received, okay, by one or single neuron. Okay. Now so the first kind of neuron or type of neuron is the multipolar neuron. Okay, so this multipolar neuron has processes that actually emanate from the whole cell body. Okay, now there are more than one dendrites. Okay, so there are more than one dendrites emanate according to their functional roles. Okay, so under this we have we have here, okay, of course, a basement membrane for this, no? And then it's a very muscular thing aligned with one another, okay, covering the surface of the brain. So this is the brain. Okay? So these are the astrocytes. Now, okay. Now, the very muscular, the sides, okay, of the axon, but then there is a portion that is exposed. Kaya, and then there are more than 1, 2, or 3 axons. Okay. See you again later. Okay, and then we'll continue the lecture. Okay?
Thank you po. See you later.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Therese. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in my life where I bring you guys with me on a day full of online classes, and also I'll be taking 2 assessments today. So full pack yung day na to, so that's the reason why I decided to vlog. Okay, so let's prepare for my 1 o'clock class or 1:30 class. 1:30 pala. So ang time na is 1 o'clock, so may 30 minutes pa ako. So, I'm gonna study for my quiz na lang muna. Like, read lang. And also, I'm gonna be going na sa big blue button sa canvas para prepared na akong i-click yung join button later. Yeah, yun muna yung gagawin ko for 30 minutes para hindi ako magkaroon ng dull time. Kasi ngayon, ang dami naming assessments. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung calendar. You can see, ayan, full pa kami ng quizzes ngayon. Starting yesterday until Sunday. So, ayan, super daming quizzes or assessment.
Okay, so I was editing the video for this vlog. Tapos na-realize ko na hindi pala ako nagsabi na papasok na ako ng second class ko. So the next clip is for my histology lecture. So yun.
This is the innermost part. Okay, this is the first part of the swan cell that the neuron cell body. The neuron, okay, with its axon, okay, that is already connected to the muscle or skeletal muscle that
Doc.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, so this is going to be my last class for the day. This is clinical pharmacology. Opo pa yung prof ko, but yeah. It's going to be the last, and then after that, my two assessments
Ayan,
on
okay. So
EPT.
again, Section
So,
9, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Cytoplasm, si histolytica kanina, fine. Si Colay naman, course. So, kailangan yung sa uluhin yon. Okay? Pero kung magbabasa naman kayo ng handouts, kung hindi naman tayo. Ayan. So, next guys, proceed na tayo sa hemoflagellates. So guys, check nyo muna yung handouts nyo. Nagbigay ako dyan ng picture, tapos yung naka-table. Kung nakikita nyo yung sinasabi.
okay, so hey guys, my class has ended. So yung last class ko, nag-end siya ng 4:30, but I wasn't able to vlog kasi ginamit ko yung phone ko for the meeting kasi naghang na yung wifi sa laptop. But yeah, it's currently 5:39 and I already took my quiz 1 sa MTLO. So isang quiz na lang for today and I'm done. So I'm currently studying, but yung Apple Pen ko sadly na-lowbat na pala siya. So na-use ko kasi siya the whole day and I wasn't able to charge it as well. So the whole day ko siya ginamit and ngayon lang siya na-lowbat na gusto. So yun, I'm currently studying for quiz 2, which is CHED, yung Commission on Higher Education na lesson namin. And it has a lot of sections. So yun daw yung dapat namin aralin, sabi ng prof namin. So magbabasa-basa lang ako kung ano ibig sabihin ng bawat sections. And also, umorder pa lang ako ng cookies. Ayan, pakita ko yung video dito. Ginawa ko yung video ngayon. So this is a chocolate chip cookies kasi nagka-crave ako ng cookies. Parang last time kaya ako nagka-crave na ito. Ngayon lang ako bumili. So, ito siya. Ayan, chocolate chip cookies. Tapos, binili ko siya sa Premium Cookies by Jazz O Shop. I-link ko down below yung FB page nila. Masarap siya, I swear. I'm gonna be studying now. I'll be back in time-lapse again kasi I'm currently listening sa music. So, yeah. But anyways, I'll be back to study and then I'll get back to you before I take my quiz number 2. So, yeah. Bye, besties! Okay, so I'll be taking the exam now, but there will be no time lapse. So I'm gonna update you after the exam. The reason is because nandito po sa student handbook namin na bawal makita yung quiz part, parang ganon. So ayokong lumabag sa mga rules dito na sinet ng prof ko. So I'll be updating you guys after. So wish me luck. Okay, so update. I'm done with the quiz and thankfully I passed. Everything that I actually read was on the quiz. Kamali lang ako ng understanding dun sa ilang questions, but ayun, pumasa naman ako. Okay, so I wasn't able to do an outro for this video because after taking the quiz and updating you guys that I passed, I stopped the video and ate some cookies. So, nag-recharge ako after taking the quiz. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this study vlog. So, it's just full of online classes, as you can see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And see you on my next vlog. Bye, besties!